Hello traders, it's Petko Aleksandrov, and today I am together with Desi in Sozopol, and we will take advantage of that beautiful place to shoot a video for you.
Hello everyone!
We will answer questions for algo trading that are very common and that we receive daily.
I have selected the most interesting questions from our students, from our forum and from the email.
Right, and before starting, we want to make it clear that now in the forum, as well in the blog, we have the search tab where you can look for the questions, and you're very welcome to post new questions. But if you find a topic regarding the question you want to ask, you better write in the same topic so the other students will learn more and more about the subject. So let's go now for the questions.
Okay, the first question is, which is the best algo trading strategy that you use?
Okay, this is probably the most common question that we receive regarding algo trading and strategies. And what I show in my courses is that I don't use one strategy. I base the algo trading on many expert advisors and trading with many strategies simultaneously on one trading account. This is because this way I achieve better risk diversification and more stable results. I really don't like trading with one strategy because this way I have the chance to be losing some days. As you know, the market changes all the time, and with every single strategy there are losing periods. Could be a day, could be a week, could be a month. And if you rely on a one single strategy, doesn't matter manually or for algo trading, you will have days where you will be losing. So my strategy is to trade many strategies simultaneously. As I show in my courses, I trade many on a demo account and I move the best current performers on a live account.
Okay, the second question is it worth it to do algo trading in Python?
Okay, Python is very famous during the last years, but the thing is, it takes time to become a developer, not just for Python, but for any other language. So the thing is how you want to invest your time. Do you want to become a trader and dedicate your complete time on trading, or you want to do algo trading with Python and trading at the same time? But this will be very time consuming. To become a developer, it's not an easy thing. Just like trading, you need to spend years, you need to practice, because you really cannot be a good trader and developer at the same time. You better focus on one of the two. And second of all, we don't hire developers in the academy. Why? Because we have the strategy builders like EA Studio, FSB, so we don't really need developers. All happens automatically with the strategy builders. We save a lot of money by not hiring developers, and at the same time we do the things quickly, and everyone from the team, Desi, Marin and the others, they use EA Studio very successfully, just like the thousands of students we have already. So I would suggest you not losing time to do algo trading in Python.
The third question is, what are the suitable algo trading strategies for beginners?
Okay, all the strategies that come up from EA Studio, I can say they're absolutely suitable for beginner traders. FSB Pro is a little bit more advanced software, so if you have licenses for both of them, I would suggest you start first with EA Studio and then go for FSB Pro. And for the beginners, I would advise you simply to run the generator of EA Studio, see what are the strategies, experiment with them, look at the indicator chart, at the equity chart, run multiple robustness tests like the Monte Carlo, the multi-market, walk forward, and you will see that sometimes even the most simplest strategies are profitable, so you really don't need to go for anything advanced.
Okay. Is it possible with EA Studio to do algo trading stocks?
Absolutely. EA Studio works over the historical data that the traders insert in the app. So if you insert historical data from MetaTrader for stocks, EA Studio will generate strategies for stocks. If you insert for cryptos, for commodities, you will be able to generate strategies for these assets. So there is no any limitation. It really doesn't matter what you will be trading, but I really suggest the people to start with Forex. At one moment you will realize that it really doesn't matter what you are trading. The Forex is the cheapest way because the spread is the smallest and it is volatile all the time, and we have such a huge variety of different currencies that we can trade with.
The fifth question, which algorithmic trading course I should start with?
Okay, for the beginners again, you better have a look at the free startup course, and as well we have a basic algorithmic trading course where I include 3 ready expert advisors, and there I started really from scratch, showing you how to install the platform, how to choose the broker, what are the chart candlesticks, everything you need to know before start testing expert advisors or doing algorithmic trading. Have a look at these 2 courses and you will have a great idea what is algo trading.
Okay, and the last question, what to expect in the future algo trading courses from Forex Academy?
Okay, from next month I will be working on a free FSB Pro course. The idea that I have about the free course is to explain everything that is not clear from the current course from Mr. Popov. So I have opened a topic in the forum. Actually not me, one of our students opened the topic about the FSB Pro, and I changed the topic with ideas. Okay, so everyone who has any ideas, or if you want to see something special, something particular in the free FSB Pro course, make sure to write in that topic in the forum. We will put it in the description below this video so you can find it easily, and we will do our best to implement everything from the topic to make it really clear how FSB Pro works, because it is a little bit more advanced software than EA Studio, and it has a lot of features that are not available in EA Studio. And after the FSB Pro course, we will work really hard to update the current courses. We will have better audio, better video, fresh examples, and basically we already have so many courses, over 30, and we realized that pretty much this is enough. What we want to improve is the quality, and it will be ongoing process, so all the time we will be updating all courses. And of course, from time to time, like every 3 or 6 months, we will launch a new course. But our target this year is to update all the courses, and every time a course is updated you will receive it for free if you have enrolled, because as you know we have lifetime license to all courses. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe for more of our free content on YouTube.
Bye bye from this beautiful place.
Cheers!